Take a ride in the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.